Good morning. If you have decided to study to become a professional hypnotherapist, continue with us in this beautiful project of study and learning. Hypnosis is a powerful technique with which you will be able to help and improve the quality of life of a great number of your future patients. Remember, study the description of this video where you can find a link to free clinical hypnosis training classes with several free ebooks. Long-term benefits of quitting smoking. After 1 month without smoking, the physical capacity increases, feeling less tiredness and increasing the capacity of resistance to any activity. After 6 months, colds, bronchitis, and sore throats are reduced. Between 1 and 9 months, the range of the bronchi improves and the risk of infections decreases. At 1 year, the risk of thrombosis or cerebral embolism is reduced. The risk of heart attack is also halved. At 5 years, the risk of heart attack is equal to that of people who never smoked, and the risk of lung cancer is halved. At 10 years, the risk of lung cancer is equal to that of a non-smoker. So, it pays to quit smoking. The health of others. Tobacco use not only affects the health of the smoker, but also of those around him or her. Passive smoking has been shown to cause a 30% increased risk of heart attack and lung cancer in non-smokers. Passive smoking particularly increases health problems in children, including mainly respiratory problems, ear infections, and sudden infant death syndrome. By quitting smoking, these risks disappear. If the father, mother, or both smoke during their children's infancy, this increases the risk of sudden infant death and increases the risk of respiratory infections, asthma, pneumonia, and otitis among their children compared to children of parents who do not smoke. Children with asthma have more severe and frequent symptoms. Children who live with smokers are in poorer overall health and have higher absenteeism from school. During pregnancy, the fetus is the youngest involuntary smoker, presenting a higher risk of miscarriage, premature birth, or low birth weight, which facilitates the risk of prenatal death. How to help a friend quit smoking. It is not an appropriate strategy to try to force anyone to quit smoking. Everyone must go through a personal process until they decide that they want to quit. However, if you love someone and it hurts you to see how they are hurting themselves by smoking, you can help them move forward in the personal process of finding reasons to want to quit. If the person you want to help has not seriously considered quitting smoking, tactfully and respectfully suggest that they start thinking about it. Ask them if they would accept your help to stop smoking. Build their confidence. Tell them that you can do it. Talk about the advantages of living tobacco-free. Don't overdo it. Approach the subject sensitively and take appropriate opportunities to remind them from time to time. Don't promote feelings of guilt. Most people want to quit but feel insecure or think they won't succeed. What they need is support, understanding, and help if they ask for it. You know it is good and very comprehensive. If he finally tries it, be patient with him if he becomes unbearable for a few days. If someone asks you directly for help to stop smoking, thank them for their trust in you. Express your unconditional support and immediately invite them to buy this book. Suggest the recommendations offered in the book. It is important that you ask him or her about the personal and/or family reasons that have led him or her to make this decision to quit smoking. Let him or her know that it will be very useful to remember them at all times during the process of quitting. Make sure they can call you whenever they need your support. Be patient if she ever calls you in the middle of the night or becomes unbearable for a few days. While he is quitting, invite him to exercise or walk with you for a while every day. Ask how he or she feels and show your concern and appreciation for the efforts he or she is making. If he or she manages to quit smoking, suggest some enjoyable activity. Invite them to the cinema, to dinner, etc. If she starts smoking again, encourage her to appreciate the time she has spent without smoking and to be aware of what made her relapse, so that when she tries again, she can be better prepared to achieve her goal. If your wife is pregnant, your support is very important. Even if you continue to smoke, you can help her in different ways. Think about quitting smoking. Do it for her, for your baby, and for yourself. It can be a good opportunity to support each other. If you can't quit, don't smoke when you are with her. If you need to smoke at home, try to do so in a single room, preferably one that is isolated from the rest of the house and of course well ventilated. Never offer her cigarettes. Ask family and friends not to smoke when they are with her. Remember that living in a smoke-free environment is especially important for pregnant women and young children. When you go out with your wife, try to take walks in the fresh air. Go to the cinema or to shows and restaurants where there are smoke-free spaces. In this book, you have the elements you need to succeed in this valuable task of giving quality to the years you have left to live. If you have managed to quit smoking, you will have many more years of life left than before, and with a better quality of life. Remember, tobacco is doing you a lot of harm, much more than you think. Now is a good time to quit smoking. You still have time to improve your health tremendously if you quit smoking now. It will be the most important action you could personally take to improve your health. Quit smoking now. Some people find it harder, others less so, but remember, quitting smoking is not impossible. This book can help you to do it. If you put your mind to it, you can do it too. Will is power, and you want to quit smoking. You will succeed because you want to succeed. Remember, you can achieve anything you set your mind to, anything. You deserve the best. You deserve it. You're a champion, a fighter, a warrior who is going to fight and win. You're going to quit smoking. You're going to do it for your family, for your friends, for all those who love you, who are probably many more than you think. But above all, you're going to do it for you. Everyone sees you as a strong, brave, and very confident person. Everyone trusts you. Everyone knows that you're going to fight and you're going to win. You're going to defeat everything you were afraid of before. Now you have learned to exchange fear for bravery. Now you feel brave, strong, and superior. Now you dare everything. Nothing stops you. Nothing defeats you. You are the best. Everyone is proud of your strength. The people around you are totally convinced that you will succeed in quitting smoking. Now convince yourself. You can do it. You will do it. I want you to know how effective and important you are for your family, for your partner, for your friends, for your work, for everything you have set out to do in life. Everyone sees you as ready to face any situation that you are faced with. I want you to feel proud of yourself, as everyone is proud of you. I want you to feel how you make those around you happy by conveying your self-confidence and self-assurance. I want you to feel how, by making others happy, the happiness that others give back to you fills every pore of your skin. That's how it is and how it will be. Now you feel strong, very strong and very brave. So strong and so brave that now you dare to quit smoking. If you're interested to continue learning about clinical hypnosis, watch our next video, Treatment as Script to Quit Smoking. Remember to study the description of this video, where you can find a link to free training classes about clinical hypnosis, with share-free ebooks as well. If you have questions, add them in the comments area. On this topic and many others, we will talk about in the channel and in the videos that we'll publish. So, if you're interested, don't miss our next videos. Thank you very much.